The electromagnetic spectrum. The electromagnetic spectrum is the range of all possible frequencies of electromagnetic radiation. The spectrum goes radio waves, microwaves, visible light, UV rays, X-rays, and gamma rays. Radio waves are the length of a football field. Microwaves come second on the electromagnetic spectrum. Microwaves, often found in microwave ovens, are about the size of a baseball. The wavelengths are smaller than that of a radio wave, but much larger than that of a gamma ray. Third on the spectrum, in the middle of radio waves and gamma rays, is the visible light spectrum. The visible light spectrum includes anything visible to the human eye. Sun, lights, rainbows, anything of that sort. As you can see above, light bulbs, rainbows, and tanning beds are all considered to be part of the visible light spectrum on the electromagnetic spectrum. Anything that produces light or colors is on the visible light spectrum. Ultraviolet rays are fourth on the spectrum and are often from the sun and also seen in tanning booths, which give us the perfect summer tan in the middle of the winter. Now tell me, who doesn't love being tan when everyone is white as an Eskimo? Fifth on the electromagnetic spectrum is X-rays, most commonly seen when getting an X-ray for a broken bone or seeing if something is fractured. They are not very good for you, but it is the best way to tell. Last but not least comes gamma rays. Gamma rays are used to help kill cancers and they help sterilize medical equipment. Gamma rays are also used to sterilize food, which helps it last longer. These rays are very harmful to the human body if exposed too much or too long. These rays begin to kill the cells in your body. Radio waves are the longest on the spectrum and are much longer than gamma rays. Radio waves also have the lowest energy in the spectrum. Gamma rays have the highest energy and the shortest wavelengths on the spectrum. For every one wavelength of radio waves, there are 3 with gamma rays. The visible light spectrum includes the colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. These colors make up the rainbow. There is an enormous range of lights that our eyes do not detect. The colors are created by different wavelengths which differentiate between each color. A rainbow is created when the sun passes through a prism, and then you get a rainbow. The brain interprets the wavelengths of lights as these colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet, which make up the rainbow. The color red has the longest wavelength compared to all the other colors on the visible light spectrum. The color violet has the shortest wavelength compared to all the other colors on the visible light spectrum. Wavelengths that are shorter than violet are ultraviolet, or otherwise known as UV light, which is used for tanning. As you can see in the picture above is a tanning bed. The shorter the wavelength, the more energetic the light is. The higher energies have shorter wavelengths, and the lower energies have shorter wavelengths. As you can see above, the wavelength is shorter and the energy is up.